You guys ever run into those days that you want to eat outside but you don't really want to go outside? You have nothing left in you to go to the kitchen and fire up some stuffs? Well, this is one of those days. I felt like having hot bird because I love the chicken sandwich there, but I hate having to meet people, push people, queue up. Ugh. Listen to the ice cubes. I like this mineral water from Bubbles. I get it from Shell usually. This is a Philly cheesesteak. I think it's 1 foot long. I love Philly cheesesteak, but I was quite disappointed that there wasn't really any cheese whiz. I'm not sure if that's traditional, but I really like a Philly cheesesteak that has a lot of cheese whiz. I don't care if it's fake cheese or whatever those haters say. It's good. Chicken sandwich never disappoints. It's one of my favorite things to get. So the chicken at Hot Bird is always drumsticks and thighs. Firstly, I'll have a bit of this soggy fries. Just look at it, it's dead. Dreadful. Why would they serve you this? Just look at it. Next, what I've been really wanting to eat for a long time. I didn't really like that the bread's black, and I wasn't wrong. The bread sucked. It was so hard. This never disappoints. A good chicken sandwich. Apologize for the messiness, but this is really one of those days that I had no effort whatsoever. Let's take a bite in that chicken. A good drumstick would never hurt anyone. Let's get some of this spicy mayo thing going on. Yeah, dab it in a bit. Yeah. The tub isn't really working. We need a bigger, wider tub like that. That's better. All done. Yes, the Philly cheesesteak isn't finished because it was not that good. And as you can see here, Mika isn't really pleased with my choices. I'm sorry I disappointed you, buddy. All foods aside, this couch is really a seat for every situation. I'm not sponsored, by the way. You guys can just check it out. There's a 99 free return policy. That's all from us today. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, ICs.